How to log into PayPal on Android. So first of all, launch PayPal application. Now once you come here, start by entering your email address or use your phone number to continue. I'm going to enter my email address. Then tap on Next. Now enter the password of your PayPal account. So after you have entered in your email and password, tap on Login option. Now after this, you would get a verification code on your mobile number. Make sure you check that. Then tap on Next. Now enter the verification code that you receive on your mobile number. After you enter the verification code, tap on Submit. And with that, you will successfully be able to log into your PayPal on Android. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.